Yes, I'm audible to you. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir, tell me.
Yeah. So in the last class, what we have discussed? Yes, everyone. In last class, what we have discussed?
No, sir, I don't know. I am the first class, sir.
Okay. So before starting with the class, I would like to ask you that how many of you are new to this class? Those who are attending
Sir,
the
I am also this is first class.
yeah, all of you raise
Sir,
your hands. Raise
sir,
your
actually,
hand.
net is signal problem, sir. I am today is problem is solved.
Okay, okay. So how many of you are first attending the class first time today? Raise your hands.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hands in the Zoom app.
I am first class, sir. My name is Harish.
Okay, okay. So those who are new to this class, so we have nearly completed 3 to 4 classes. So you can find the recorded videos in the CSC app. You will be finding the recorded session, video section there in the CSC app. So you can watch that video and cover the previous syllabus. Okay, everyone. I'm talking to
Okay,
the
sir.
new students.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can see the videos, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the yesterday's class we have
Once
discussed.
again,
Yeah.
so once again, can you please say?
So who is this?
Sir, I'm Harichandana. Now only I have joined this
Okay,
class.
okay. Are you new to this class? Today only you have joined?
No.
Okay.
I'm joining daily, but today.
Okay, okay. So no, it is nothing regarding you. It is regarding the new students. Okay, don't worry regarding.
Okay, sir.
So in the previous class we have discussed regarding this drawing the letters with the help of mouse. Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class should be responding. Yeah. So in this today's class, we'll be discussing regarding this. So this is the exercise number 2. So here in this exercise number 2, you can see that draw this rectangle by using offset command. Okay, everyone. By using which command we should have to
Yes,
use here?
Offset command.
Yeah, you should have to use offset command here. So what is the keyword for the offset command?
OF, enter.
Yeah, no, OF enter is also the correct answer, but you should have to say O enter. Okay, you can
Okay,
use
sir.
OF enter also you can use, but you should have to say O enter. So O enter. So first of all, before starting with this, here you can see that we are having some of the notes here. So here you can see that all dimensions are in meter. Yes, what does it mean? All dimensions are in meter.
We should take all the dimensions in meters.
Yeah, here you can see that the dimensions of the rectangles are given to us. The width of this rectangle is 5 meter and the depth of this rectangle is 7 meter. Yeah, all the dimensions of these rectangles are in meters. Then draw these rectangles by using offset, trim and fillet command. So we should have to use offset. So we will be majorly using the offset command here, and after that we will be also using trim and fillet command here. Okay.
Trim and fillet command.
Yeah. So what is the keyword for the trim command?
T double enter.
Yeah, T double enter, not TR double enter is the keyword for trim command.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the keyword for fillet command? Everyone, unmute yourself and reply me. What is the keyword for fillet command? Yes.
FC enter.
F enter. FC not F enter is the keyword for fillet command. So here you can see another note point in this exercise. Draw only 2 lines one is the horizontal and another is the vertical, then offset them. So now we should have to draw only two lines. One is the vertical line and one is the horizontal line. After that, we should have to use offset command. Then we should have to offset that two lines to make the rectangle. So how will we do? I am starting the drawing in the AutoCAD software. Yes, is AutoCAD software is available to you on screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So for that, as he has said that, first of all, we'll be drawing this rectangle. So he said that we have to draw only a horizontal line and a vertical line. So for that, I will be just going here. I will be activating line command here. What is the keyword for line command? Yes,
L
everyone.
enter.
Yeah.
L enter.
Yeah, L enter. So I am taking, yeah, L enter is the keyword for the line command. So I am taking a line like this. I will be first of all taking the in a vertical way. After that, I have drawn a line in a horizontal way. Then I will be pressing the escape button. So we have successfully completed the first step. What is our first step? Drawing up of a horizontal line and a vertical line.
Vertical line.
Vertical.
Yeah. So after that, he has said that we should have to offset it. Okay. So here, if you see the distance of offset, the distance between this line, this vertical line,
Vertical line.
but between these two vertical lines is 5 meters. So for that, I will be moving here, just activating offset command here. So what is the keyword for offset command?
O enter.
O enter.
O enter.
O enter. So distance of offset is, what is the distance?
5 meters.
Yeah, so O enter, 5 enter, selecting the line with the help of mouse, clicking the left button in your mouse and moving your mouse towards the direction in which you want to take the offset of that line. So I want the offset in the right side. So I will be just moving my mouse towards the right side and I will be pressing the left button in my mouse. So like this, here you can see that I have offsetted this line at a distance of 5 meters from here to here. Yeah. Yes, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after that, if you see here, we have successfully completed with these vertical lines. Now we'll be moving towards these horizontal lines. So if you see here, what is the depth of this rectangle?
7 meters.
7 meters.
7 meters is the depth. So I will be just moving here. First of all, I will be pressing the escape button to deactivate the offset command, which was the distance of distance 5 meters. Now I want to activate the offset command at a distance of what is the distance? Offset distance
7 meters.
Yeah.
7 meters.
So O enter, then 7 enter, then selecting this line, horizontal line like this, and moving the cursor towards the line, towards the side where you want the line. So like this, I have clicked with the left button in my mouse. Like this, I have successfully drawn this rectangle. So, but these are the extra lines to me. So for the deleting these extra lines, which command I should have to use here?
Trim.
T and
TR double enter, trim command we should have to use. So keyword for the trim command is TR double enter.
select the
like this,
object.
select the object like this, delete the extra lines. Select the object, delete the extra lines. Select the object, delete the extra lines. So we can use fillet command or trim command for trimming purpose. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So like this, we have successfully completed with this rectangle number 1. So now we'll be moving towards this rectangle number 2. So here, if you see, the width of this rectangle is 7 meters and the depth of this rectangle is 5 meters. So you people should say me the steps. I will follow you. Okay. So first of all, what is the first step?
Sir. Line command.
What is the keyword for line command?
Horizontal and vertical. L enter.
L enter.
L enter.
Class participants
Yeah. Who is this? Okay. So first of all, I have activated line command here. So I will be taking a point like this, drawing a vertical line like this, then drawing a horizontal line like this. Then I will be pressing the escape button. So next,
Escape button.
what is the next step?
Offset, sir. O enter, sir.
Offset.
Yeah.
Offset.
O
enter.
enter.
So if you see here, so first of all, we'll be moving towards the vertical lines. So what is the width of this rectangle? Width
5
comma,
centimeter, 5 meter.
7 meters. Width is 7. This is the
7
height.
meters horizontal.
Yeah,
Ah,
horizontal.
okay.
So
7 meter.
7, enter, selecting this line like this, offsetting it like this. Okay, again I will be pressing the escape button, deactivated the offset command.
Escape button extra line.
Yeah, so now if you see here, what is the depth of this rectangle?
5 meter.
5 meters.
5
Yeah,
meters
so-
in vertical line.
Yeah, so what I should have, which command I should have to use here?
Offset.
Yeah,
Up.
O
Offset.
come O enter.
O enter,
O enter.
5
O enter.
5 enter, then selecting
Meters.
the line like
Select the
this,
object.
like this, with the help of
Enter.
mouse, you should have to draw the line. Okay, so now I will,
Escape.
what is my next step?
Escape.
Trim, sir, trim. Escape and trim.
Escape and trim.
Okay, so escape, I have pressed
Escape
the
and
escape button.
Trim.
So I will be using, now
T
I will
double
be,
enter.
now I will be using fillet command here. Okay, so what is the keyword for
Yes.
fillet command?
F
F
enter.
enter.
F enter.
Enter, selecting the first line like this, then selecting the second line like this. Okay, then again for activating the fillet command, what I should have to do? I should have to enter F enter once
F
again, or no, you should have to not press F enter once again. Just I will be pressing the enter
Enter.
button. Now now my fillet command is activated once again, as you all people can see on the screen. So for activating the
Sir.
command which is used previously, you should have to press only enter button.
Enter.
Yeah. So selecting the first line like this, then selecting the second line, fillet completed. Then again, I will be pressing the enter button once again.
Enter.
First selecting the first line, selecting the second line. So like this, we have successfully drawn with this rectangle number 2 also. Okay, everyone, are you clear with this? Do you have any doubts? Yes, anybody?
No, sir.
Clear, sir.
No,
Everyone?
sir, clear.
Okay, good. So now we'll be moving towards this rectangle. This is okay. So 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
these two are homeworks to you. You practice it at your home and send me the assignment. So we'll be moving
Okay,
towards,
sir.
towards
Okay,
this.
sir.
Yeah, we'll be moving towards this. So here you can see that the width of this rectangle is 9 meters and the depth of this
9
rectangle is 10 meters. Okay.
10 meters.
The area of this rectangle is 9 into 10. Okay. So
9 into 10.
I will be moving here. I will be activating line command here. L enter.
L enter.
Selecting the font like this.
Drawing a line.
Drawing a
Vertical
horizontal
and
line.
horizontal.
Drawing a vertical line like this. Then escape. So
Escape.
what is the keyword for offset
Offset.
command?
O enter.
Yeah.
O enter.
O enter. So what is the distance of offset?
9 meter.
9 meters horizontal line.
So here you can see that the width of this rectangle is 9 meters. So O enter, 9 enter, selecting this vertical line like this, offsetting it. Then again escape. Then again O enter.
O enter.
If you see here, what
10
is
meters.
the depth? The 10 meter is the depth
10,
of this
10,
rectangle is
10,
10.
10 meters in vertical line.
10 meters.
Enter, selecting this line like this.
Select
and
object.
Offset. So I will be just using trim command here. TR double enter, trimming this extra lines. So like this, we have successfully completed with this rectangle also. Okay, everyone, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear, sir.
So after that, we will be moving towards. So we will be moving towards this rectangle. So this one is also homework to you. We'll be drawing this rectangle. Okay, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Okay. So you people, in the previous rectangles we have drawn first of all this line and this line and this line and this line. Now we'll be drawing this line and this line. We'll be continuing like this. Okay, for this rectangle we'll be starting from this right side line and this bottom line. Okay. So if you here you can see that the area of this rectangle is 7.5 meters into 10 meters. So for that I will be moving here. Just activating line command here. L enter.
L enter.
Drawing a line like this randomly, drawing a vertical line, then drawing a horizontal line, then escape. So what is the offset distance here?
O enter.
Yeah, O,
Of 7.5 meter.
7.5.
O enter, then
Meter.
again 7.5 enter. So here, if you see here, this is the width of this rectangle is 7.5 meter. So
Down.
O enter 7.5 enter. Selecting the object like this, then offset it. Then again, if you see here, the depth of this rectangle is 10 meters. So for that, what I should have to do here? Yes, everyone.
10
Yes, sir.
10 meters. Sir.
10 meters, sir.
First of all,
No, no.
escape. O enter.
Escape.
Escape.
Escape O enter.
10 enter. Selecting the line like
And
this.
vertical line is 10 meter.
Offsetting it like this. Okay, everyone. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Then again, TR double enter, trimming this extra lines. So it will be better if you use trim command, because you can easily delete the extra lines with the help of trim command. You can also use fillet command, but it will be taking process if you use fillet command. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So next we'll be moving here. So we'll be drawing this rectangle. So you people should same the steps regarding this rectangle. So first of all, what is the area of this rectangle?
8.25 meters.
8.25 meters.
I have asked you regarding the area. What is the area?
8.25
To find it 10.
8 point.
Yeah, 8.25 into 10.
10.
So what are the units?
10 meters.
What will be the units?
Meters.
here?
Meters.
I have asked regarding the area units.
Meter square.
A square or square meter. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tell me. Square meters or meter square?
Meter into meter will be meter square. So,
Meter square. Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
so I will be moving here. First of all, activating line commands. Yeah. So you people should share me the steps. I will be following.
Sir,
L enter.
L enter.
Will enter. Then next
We should
step.
draw a line randomly in a
Okay.
vertical line and a horizontal line.
Okay, vertical line and a horizontal line. Then escape.
And we should do escape.
Okay.
Then escape.
Then we should set a
Then O and-
off-screen offset command.
So what is the keyword for offset command?
O
O
enter.
enter
O enter.
Okay, O enter. Then
of 8.25 meters.
8.25 meter.
yeah, width is 8.25 meters. So 8.25 enter.
Enter.
Then what is the next step?
We should
Select the-
offset the
Select offset.
select the horizontal line, and we should offset.
We should have to select the vertical line because we have taken the distance.
Yes, sir.
Width.
Yes.
We have taken width first. So we should have to select the vertical line. Okay, selecting the
Vertical
vertical line, offsetting, moving the mouse towards the right and clicking the left button in the mouse. Okay, so next,
sir.
what is
Yes.
my next step? What will be my next step?
escape button.
Again, escape button and O enter
So enter.
with
Then
10 meters.
Offset.
10 enter.
yeah, here you can see that the depth of this rectangle is 10 meters. So
10 meter.
10 enter.
And offset enter.
Selecting the line like this, moving the mouse towards the direction where you want the line, clicking the left button,
Yes.
then
Yes. Left button.
Escape
And,
button and
escape
TR
button.
enter for trimming the extra lines.
TR double enter. Okay.
Double enter.
Here double enter.
Yeah. So selecting the line with the help of mouse by clicking left button in your mouse. Okay. You should have to select the line and delete the extra line.
Opposite line.
Yeah.
Extra line.
So like this, we have successfully completed with this rectangle also. So I think nobody is having doubt.
Sir,
Yes, sir. All clear.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Sir, I'm asking one doubt, sir.
Just what is your doubt?
My name is Hari. Sir, all dimensions are in meters, sir.
Yeah.
Rectangular.
No.
Why don't in meter mm, sir?
In this exercise, he have given in meters. So we are moving according to the material. In that, he have mentioned that all the dimensions are in meter. So the
Okay,
dimensions
sir.
will be in any way. So in this exercise, the dimensions are in meters. Okay. You can
The
convert
next
this,
exercise.
you can convert these meters into mm, and then you can also do the into all the drawing rectangles. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Wait a minute. Okay. So what if you see here, we are also having this dimensions. Okay. We are
Okay, sir.
also having the text here, dimensions. So we will be learning how to add these dimensions. So which command I should have to use for showing the dimensions? Yes, everyone.
D enter.
Yes, sir. Done.
No, wrong. Anybody other?
D enter, sir.
Wrong, wrong.
DIM enter.
No.
Yes. Somebody said anything? D enter.
DIM enter.
DS. No.
DIM enter. No, wrong.
No, sir. No, sir. No. It's enter.
Dimension style, sir.
DLI enter. You should have to
I
use
enter, sir. Yes.
DLI enter command for showing the dimensions. So I have entered DLI enter keyword in the command line. So first of all, I should
Command
have to
line.
select the first point, then select the second point. Then I should have to move this dimension line with the help of cursor. Okay, everyone, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So again, for activating this command, I should have to press which button?
Enter.
DL.
Yeah,
Enter.
only enter button. So selecting
Only
the
enter.
first point, then selecting the second point.
Corner into the enter button.
Yeah, then with the help of mouse, you should have to drag this dimension line. Okay, like this, you
Yes,
should
sir.
have to show the dimensions.
Yes,
What is the keyword for the dimension command? Yes, everyone.
DIL
enter.
enter.
DLI enter. Okay. So if you want to decrease the size of this,
So once again, can you please say again?
I will say you once again.
DLI.
So first of all, in the command line, you should have to enter DLI enter. Okay, DLI enter. Then you should have to select the first point like this with the help of mouse. Then select the second point of the line which you want to measure. So I have selected the first point, then selecting the second point like this. Then the dimension line will appear on your screen. So you should have to drag that line in which dimension you should have to show. You want to show the dimension line in the inside
The
of this.
only use of enter.
Yeah. Okay.
Using
So,
mouse.
with the help of mouse, you should have to drag this dimension line in which dimension you want to keep, in which direction you want to keep this dimension line. So I want to keep it outside of this rectangle. So I have to press the left button by dragging this dimension line outside of this rectangle. Then again, we have measure this horizontal line. So I will want to measure this vertical line here. So for that, I will be just pressing the enter button once again. So my dimension line command has been activated here. So I will be selecting the first point like this, then selecting the second point, then moving my mouse towards the outside of this rectangle. So like this, you should have to show the dimensions. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you should have to show the dimension. So this one we have successfully completed with this. So all of you take a screenshot of this page. Take a screenshot and send reply me.
Yeah, done, sir.